Today we are going to be unboxing Stitch Fix. Hi, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscriptions from men's, women's, kids, food, beauty, clothing, games, you name it, I unbox it. And if I haven't, I probably will be soon. So today I have for you guys a Stitch Fix. And I have unboxed Stitch Fix in the past. Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service where you fill out a profile and then a stylist will follow that profile and pick out clothing for you, and they will send you 5 pieces of clothing. I think you have 3 to 5 days to try them on and then keep what you want to keep and send back the rest. Also in the box is a bag to send your clothing in. They have a couple papers in here. One paper has the price of all the clothing, which I will let you know as we pull them out. I'll also tell you the brands and the sizings. And then this is my favorite part about Stitch Fix, is they give you different cards of, it has a picture of the item and then different accessories and styles and ways to wear that item, which is pretty neat because if you're styling challenged like me, you need all the help you can get. Ooh, look at those colors. Those are pretty fall winter colors. Okay, our first top is very, I don't know. It's kind of reminds me of grandma pattern. Not my style. Looks like it has like 3/4 sleeves and then it kind of has some gathering in the front with some button downs. Let's see. This is by the brand Fun2 Fun. It's a 1XL and it is $48. That just doesn't look like my style. I don't know. We'll see when I try it on. The next one is also a top. I like the flowers on it. I think that's pretty. It's like I don't know what kind of material this is, but it's a very like soft slippery material, and then the back is just plain black, almost like a knit t-shirt type of a material. This is by the brand Leeless. It's in the size 1X and it's $38. So there's that one. It does look like it's long sleeve. Cute. I like that. And this is just a simple black t-shirt type material. It has like a crisscross design in the front, if you can see that. And it has like a scooped type of hem. It's not straight across the bottom. Other than that, it's just a standard black t-shirt by Emory Park. It is also a 1X and $34. Ooh, this one's pretty. This is a kind of like kimono style top. It is very purple, winter or fall colors. Very pretty. I like that. And then around the sleeves it has lace. Well, both the hem and the sleeves have like this pretty lace detail on it. This is by the brand Mason and Belle. It is a 1XL and $42. Okay, very pretty. I really like the blues and the deep purples. Our last item in here is a pair of jeans. And these are bootcut jeans, which I had asked for because I prefer them over skinny jeans, and I've been getting a lot of skinny jeans lately. So, here they are. I like the wash on them. They're not, it's kind of subtle, but it's there. I like that. And then they have like an elastic waist. This is by Democracy. They are 16 W's and the size $78. Whew. I don't know. The jean material is very stretchy, and I'll have to try it on to get a better feel for it. But it's very stretchy material, and in my previous experiences, this kind of jean material stretches out and then gets all like bubbly and weird and like wrinkly, and it doesn't lay smooth anymore. It gets like stretched out in places. So I would never pay $78 for a pair of pants that's probably going to last me about a year. Maybe if I knew that they were going to last me like the next 5 years, I'd pay that price. But they would have to be of a sturdier jean material and not this kind of stretchy jean material. Yeah, I was right. When I was looking at it, the print reminded me of grandma style, and I don't know, it makes me, I feel like I'm aged in this top and not, I don't know, it makes me feel more mature, older, not my style. But it's not a bad top in general. I don't know if you can see the design on here. It's a pretty color, navy blue with the cream, but I just don't like the 3/4 sleeves. And then the cut is just very boxy, and it makes my torso just seem like one giant box. I like how it's flowy in the front, but I don't know, like if it was just a little bit more tighter, more in the back but still flowy in the front, then I think I would like it a little bit better. But it's just so flowy and just, I don't know, maybe if I got a size smaller it would fit me better. Maybe this one's just a little bit too big. Length, and it's a little bit longer in the back than it is in the front. I have nothing negative to say. It does have, well actually, it does have strings on it. They forgot to clip the strings, so that's a mistake. But nothing that's you can't easily fix with a pair of scissors. Man, I really like the pattern on this one. It is super cute. Though, I would prefer if the shirt was this material all the way around. It kind of drives me nuts that it's two different materials. Like this is more of a knitted type of a top, and this is more of that like silky flowy material. So it's just, it feels weird. Having the back material be warmer and then the front material is cooler, so it's like cool and warm. I don't know, it's just doing weird things for me, so I'm not loving that aspect of it, but loving the print. I don't like the sleeves. I like my sleeves to be long, and I don't know if I have long arms, but these sleeves barely come to the end of my wrist where my wrist and my hand meet, so like when I stretch out it just seems like they're short, you know. I would prefer it if they were like this long, but that's just me. I like long sleeves. Now if you were to pull them up, that would look cute, and they'd be cute at that length. Yeah, so maybe that's the look it's going for, just a little like pulled up on your arms a little bit. I don't know. It's an interesting top with the two different fabrics, but it's very cute. I love it. This is the black t-shirt. What to say? I've had softer t-shirts than this, so it's, I don't know, it's just a simple plain t-shirt. Is it worth $38 in my opinion? No. Does it fit great? Yeah. I love the cut of it. The sleeves are a good length. The bottom, I love how it like scoops up and is a little bit higher on the sides. Like, it just looks good, I think, and it lays pretty well. But it's not something that I would pay that money for. I do like the crisscross in the front, which is a super popular design right now. A lot of shirts have that crisscross detail. But is it anything special? No. And then we have the kimono. I love this kimono. This is my favorite piece of clothing in this box, I think. I love the burgundy color and then the blue and peach kind of colored flowers on it. I think it's gorgeous. I like the length of the sleeves and the length of the kimono. It's nice and long, but not like too long. It looks very cute with this black top. They go well together, I think. And the jeans. Nice little outfit. Here's an up close of the lace on the sleeves. It's very pretty. I love the lace detail. Let's talk about these pants. They are so very comfortable. I love them as far as that goes. They're very, I don't know, they fit well in every area that I want jeans to fit in. I like the boot cut. I prefer a little bit wide over leg opposed to like skinny leg jeans. They fit really well. They're high-rise jeans and they're not, like, I have a problem with jeans. If they fit in the thighs, they're too big in the waist. If they fit in the waist, they're too tight in the thighs, that kind of thing. But they fit well both in the waist and in the thighs. I think that has to do with like the elastic waistband that they have on them, that it can help, I don't know, shrink and stretch depending on body style a little bit. But thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed it, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!